Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using flimsy cooking pans that just can't keep up with your culinary skills? Introducing the titanium pans for cooking by Vattenfall, the ultimate game changer in the world of skillets. This king-size pan is not only durable but also lightning fast, making it perfect for busy home cooks. With its titanium construction, you can expect a non-toxic surface that provides a healthier cooking experience. And the best part is, it outshines Teflon, ceramic, stainless steel, or cast iron options. The ergonomic handle is designed to stay cool, even when you're cooking up a storm, and the pan itself supports all cooktops, including induction, making it an essential tool for everyday cooking in any kitchen. But what really sets this pan apart is its multi-layer hammered composite steel construction, which enables fast and even heat transfer, perfect for deep frying, sautéing, broiling, and braising. You'll love the sound of sizzling food hitting the pan, and the smell of perfectly cooked meals wafting from the kitchen. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's well reviewed by those who have made the switch. The feel of the sturdy handle in your hand, the textured surface of the pan, it all comes together to create a cooking experience like no other. Whether you're cooking for one or a large family, this pan is perfect for any occasion, and its oven-safe construction means you can finish off dishes in the oven with ease. So why settle for a mediocre cooking pan when you can have the best? Get your hands on the titanium pans for cooking by Vattenfall today, and take your cooking to the next level. With its unparalleled performance and durability, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without it. So make the switch and start cooking like a pro. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.